Hey there, health enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of intermittent fasting and want to get the most out of it, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share the top 3 essential meals you should be eating during your eating window to maximize your benefits. Let's jump right in. First up, meal number 1. The power-packed breakfast bowl. Start your eating window with a nutrient-dense meal that fuels your body and keeps you energized. Think of a breakfast bowl filled with quinoa, avocado, spinach, and a soft-boiled egg. Quinoa provides a great source of complete protein, while avocado gives you those healthy fats. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, and the egg adds even more protein to keep you full longer. This combo not only kickstarts your metabolism, but also keeps your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Moving on to meal number 2, the midday muscle builder. This meal is perfect for lunch or as a post-workout refuel. Go for a grilled chicken salad with a variety of colorful veggies like bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers. Add a handful of nuts and seeds for some crunch and healthy fats. Drizzle with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon for a simple yet delicious dressing. The high-quality protein from the chicken helps repair and build muscle, while the veggies provide essential fiber and antioxidants. This meal will keep you satisfied and support muscle recovery and growth. Last but not least, meal number 3, the satisfying dinner plate. Wrap up your eating window with a balanced dinner that promotes restful sleep and recovery. Opt for baked salmon with a side of roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and reducing inflammation. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of complex carbs, providing sustained energy without spiking your blood sugar. Broccoli is loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a perfect green to round out your meal. This dinner will leave you feeling full, nourished, and ready to tackle the next day. So there you have it. 3 essential meals to eat during your intermittent fasting window to maximize your benefits. Remember, the key is to focus on nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body, support muscle growth, and keep you feeling satisfied. Give these meals a try and feel the difference they make in your fasting journey. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay strong. Catch you later.